In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gmail on your PC. We'll walk through each step together to make sure you can easily apply this change. Dark mode can really make a difference if you're working long hours on your computer, reducing eye strain and making the screen easier on your eyes, especially in dim environments. So let's dive right into it and get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Gmail website. Once there, you'll need to log in using your Gmail credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a small gear icon, which represents the Quick Settings menu. Click on this gear icon. It will open up a drop-down menu, giving you a glimpse of some quick access settings. But for dark mode, we need to click on See All Settings, found at the top of this drop-down. Clicking on See All Settings takes us to a new page filled with options. You'll find several tabs at the top, but the one we're interested in is labeled Theme. Click on this tab to continue. Once in the Theme tab, you'll see a selection of different visual options for your Gmail interface. Among these, there's one specifically labeled Dark. It's an all-black theme that will apply throughout your Gmail interface. Now, hover over this dark theme. As you do, you'll notice a small button that says Set Theme appearing. Go ahead and click on that button. Instantly, your Gmail interface will switch to the dark mode theme. You'll notice that the usual bright background has changed to a deep black, which is easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime or when you're working in poorly lit spaces. If you find that dark mode isn't quite to your liking after a while, you can always return to the theme settings and choose another theme. Gmail offers a range of visual styles, so feel free to explore some of the other options available to find the one that suits you best. There you have it. Your Gmail now has dark mode enabled, offering a sleeker look and a more comfortable experience for viewing emails. This simple change not only enhances the aesthetics of Gmail, but also helps in reducing eye fatigue, which is crucial for maintaining your eye health during prolonged screen time. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and you're now enjoying the benefits of dark mode in Gmail. If you found this guide useful, be sure to explore other settings and features within Gmail to further personalize your email experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.